let's talk about what's better or worse, Lyft Ridefinder, and of course, put this in the chat too. Lyft Ridefinder or Trip Radar? What do you think is better? Put in the comments why. Let us know, because I mean, I have my thoughts. I'm sure Sergio has his.
I personally
Matt
like
Corner.
I personally like Ridefinder better, but
same here. Now, this is Matt's corner.
Yeah,
I decided to put it in the corner this time.
I'm going like, why is there so much white on that side?
So I wanted, I wanted to make it Matt's corner.
That's funny. Ooh, somebody says
actually no. You want the real thing? What ended up happening was you said there was 2 screenshots for this one, and that's when I emailed you.
Oh yeah,
you missed it, and I never updated, so it would go in the center. So I'm like, oh fuck, I forgot to do that, and it was already at the point where it was uploaded to StreamYard. So I'm like, hey, we're gonna name this Matt's corner, so I can go over the mistake.
Take it to the corner. I like it. It's in the corner, Matt. So put it in the chat. Put either TR or RF instead of writing the whole thing. TR or RF, tip radar. Or so Matt got one of these, and he goes, "This is getting tiresome," and he goes, "Ridefinder ride pops up. I click request match. This is one of my regulars. Rider always tips $5 for this short ride. Says no longer available. Comes back as a direct offer within 1 second at 23.6% lower hourly rate. You know what this means, Chris?" And
somebody forgot to add David Risher and at Lyft on this, so we could see what's going on.
What's going on is Lyft's algo, whoever is writing and adjusting the algo for Trip Finder or regular pings, either they hired somebody from Uber, they're getting better and better and better. Not for the driver, for them. They're getting better and better. In fact, what I noticed on this, Chris, is that the Trip Radar or the Ridefinder showed up at $5.02. I probably would do this trip, honestly, especially if I know it's a regular and I'm going to get tipped $5, $10 for 7-minute work is no big deal, right? I'll do it. However, if you look at the actual ping that showed up within 1 second after Matt was told it was matched by somebody else, no longer available, right? In fact, he's further away. Do you see the pickup time is longer, actually?
Wait. That could be GPS variance. Remember, we gotta say he could be in the 1 second. I mean, let's be real. If you're traveling 50 miles an hour, you're only traveling 75 feet. So if it comes in a second later, reality is it's probably just a GPS.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll give you the benefit of that on that, Mr. Lyft support. But I'll go
edge case.
Yeah, I'll go 502 to 438. What do you say about that, Lyft support?
Yeah, that's insane.
That's a lot, actually. That's almost like, what do you say, 25% almost? It's 25% shading. Of course, Matt goes like, "Hey, man, Matt is here. So did you still do it? Did you take it knowing? And did you get tipped, Matt? Put yes or no in the chat. You're here. They're taking way too long to match now too. Well, yeah, they Lyft is a little bit slower, but did you do the trip? And did you get tipped? So we want to know.
I think this is a good test for Professor to be looking into.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's
the difference between Trip Radar and Ridefinder coming in as both Trip Radar and Ridefinder versus exclusive requests.
Well, look, we see this on Uber all the time. This is not new, but Lyft usually is a little bit more honest than this. But then, like I said, they're learning pretty good.
I mean, we've pulled some crazy screenshots.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past 1.5 years, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter. not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Yeah, well, we have, you know, our advantage is having screenshots from the history. So honestly, I should have. Oh, you didn't take it? I mean, you're gonna get 5. Well, he's thinking now. He's like pissed, and he was like, "Hell no!" Like,
Matt, here's the real thing. Actually, to all drivers, really, not just Matt. This is a time now. Start taking screenshots because we want to see those.
Next segment.
So, are you finding Ridefinder trip radar that are coming in, and then all of a sudden, a little bit later, or 1 second later, whatever it might be, if you were going to take it or not, what happens? Are you getting something that's offered to a lower rate? Now, I think this one was more shady than most because literally he went to go tap it and it said ride not available, which then popped up right after that and said, hey, here's the request, but we're going to screw you on the price. So enjoy.
Well, this is very blatant. I would have expected maybe like $4.98 or something. This is a lot for this tiny little chip, you know, 25%. Mm-hmm. And as we know, you guys know from the More Perfect Union video that we put out for algorithmic wage discrimination video, the popular one, you know, we gave Lyft a pass on that. I mean, their numbers were like ridiculously wide. Uber's was like nickels, dimes, you know, whatever. Lyft was like dollars. So we need to maybe do just Lyft only, you know, exclusive versus trip radar versus.
Here's the thing. You gotta remember. I mean, we're already at ChatGPT 5 now that just released. We have Grok that just had its update. Llama just came out with another update. They're constantly coming out and updating all of the time. So why would we assume that the More Perfect Union video is even relevant from then to now? Because they're running on a completely different algorithm at this point because of all of the changes. So this is something where the test continually needs to be done because as you see that, yeah, you could say Uber is within nickels and dimes of each other. And, you know, their claim was that the GPS discrepancy could play into it. You know, whether you want to believe them or not, that was what they said. I mean, it's plausible. I'll give them that. So if we're going to do Mythbusters, plausible. I'm not going to say confirmed or busted, but in that case, we got to keep on these because, yeah, they could tighten up. They could get really shady. And we always got to stay on it.
Well, yeah, I mean, in this case, it's pretty massive. 25% is a lot. But, you know, we'll see. I really, you know, first things first, I want to do standard versus advantage in California because I have it now. But I am told, Chris, I'm told from a very, very reliable source that before Uber releases standard versus advantage in a city, they lower the fares by 5% before, about a month or two before they go in. And then it looks like they are giving you an extra 5% over something that they lowered, just like they do with the riders. They jack the price up and then lower it with a discount. On the other one, they are lowering the fares about a month or so before they go in.
So our thoughts are confirmed. Interesting.
Yeah, our thoughts are for sure confirmed. Like, for sure. Yeah.
Oh, wow. All right. I'm sure everybody's like, what the hell?
What the hell?
Shit better not come here. And then all the people who
How
are
do they
like,
know that?
oh, all the people that are like, I want the rate or I have the rate card. I can't see where I'm picking up and dropping off. Well, do you really want anything but the rate card at this point?
Yeah, you don't know.
Or I mean, like something like Seattle, where you gotta actually get rates. Same thing with like Minnesota, where you're actually getting full rates, not this active hour crap in New York.
Yeah. Well, we'll see.
Or in
so Uber took a screenshot of this, and they go like, "What did they just say? How did they know that? How did
You mean that they transcribed it and then had it run through AI first to
say
what?
Like, how did they figure that one out? Like,
beep, beep, beep. Oh, our money truck is backing up.
Alarms are going off.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.